Let's take a look at what's happening here on 28th Avenue South in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. It appears that the Myrtle Beach Planning Commission has formed a redevelopment district zone, or RDZ, for 2 more Ocean Boulevard motels. The Seahawk and the Seahorn motels on the south end of Ocean Boulevard. Being older buildings, they couldn't meet what was required for the current codes. The RDZ allows the City of Myrtle Beach to adjust zoning regulations for a given redevelopment project. The owner of these 2 motels argued that redeveloping his properties would not be possible because of the sizes of each and the distance of the property line for parking garages. A proposal is underway to have a minimum building footprint without reaching the height limit set forth by the FAA regulations for the Myrtle Beach International Airport. If approved, after demolishing, they will rebuild 1 single unit on the combined properties. Here's what both look like before the demolition. And here's a proposed rendition of how the new one may look when completed, which will be a Hilton affiliate. The new hotel will have over 200 rooms and include a coffee shop and rooftop bar, open to hotel guests and the public, as well as bicycle parking in the parking garages that will go hand in hand with the bike path that runs in front of the properties now. Of course, the City Council will have the final vote and is not bound by the Planning Commission's recommendations. It's predicted that RDZ's proposals will become more common as the city's revitalization efforts proceed. This revitalization should help tourism and promote Myrtle Beach in a more positive light, the way it used to be, so you can keep beaching.